much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Akwaba Stronko and Komao Sabe Sewa Jibre Esheme Ewa Too Much GH eso. Nana ama owuswa enemy di na minimum edition so there na say trending issues na and I made the ebestomo. Nebusia for a day Honorable Kennedy Japan a comprek wa babonte na bonte obaye no enya asem ketwa and say whatever to jano ama Ghana for aka lewe nsem ni we can't think far to say ebro ya dwen ene yenti ase eso na ninya ene say Honorable Eddie abeto just say ensema wokokan ye ewo achiase ebra na wo MPP for wokan wa wo mo eye campaign to atese okunya platform a wo kasa wokobo eye John Dramani Mahama ne chento efa eye se na eye na penso tawa na wodi aban emunom wotimi efa ema edi egu eye plane mu edi wo ko Dubai for weekend that is sikapudu eman sika na tete wa fa bi edi account na nunti anam so ama wo baby ye friend Tracy Boache just say egu dwe e wo Ghana for so say wo friend wo East Legon landlady dan kakra ya to maninti wo ma Ghana for enya som na ebuja for be kaya sa ensensem we ma oye Tracy Boache na eba bonten e betwa Honorable Adapa say de ka odem ni bi e no de beto abonten nyensem keto na oyi wo honum na da betwa ni emu no Honorable so ba be yi ano no ka say wako ye Tracy Boache ne ho enhwehwemu na tese de obehu bi afi na sase se ne wo hye brase be pim peso awedu a oye East Legon landlady no wodi ni aba betu da na tese wegu ne ho fi egunu ni ase esan suban a wadan ne di na no na Tracy saba biem de no sade tese empoa wotwe bi ka ho krade tese de bo nkwakra de ni a efrefremu ede ema Honorable na enu emu na tese ensem no Honorable Beka say empenifo apana chonti wejai mu amanaka. Ye that story ye nkwati a Honorable Baba say de okoka wo achiase platform no so nia no na te say eya agro de eya joke keke. Joke keke ena no de John Dramani Mahama din e joke a Tracy Boache e fa ne serious tenchina te say odina so e de ya no for days. No Honorable Kennedy Japan nsem no kampo no waka no kra good bi a te say wode twa no kakra bi ena te say oba na ni abre no ho sana na eno na Ghana focus Debio, Honorable Wenku adie, Pemuka no kre no. Ye defeatiu, ena woka, ena just won kwan na kan wo de fa so aka, enti na wo de dane da ho say we joke because wo de enim say wo nya joke asa. Enu nti e meka ne sa. Na ni ne mu no Tracy Boache na mu asem efa no ho no. Baba abonte abeyi ano na ibuzafo. Ensem no se na esifate no menkwa meka enye de. Enu nti menuanom ewo ha atese betwetwe enkomo edi afa ho na atese ansa no meba no ka hu ni se djumeko a wo mto ya sen ama ye de djumede yi ebramo eye Mama Juliet Ventures. Mama Juliet de se ba na kitchen we papa a edimu ene edem asese wunyama dia no mo fa ne number no ewo ase wo no wa friend entepaso 24/7 or you available obeboa ewo sakwan no so ebiemu so no loan master wo mo ena o makwadare wo loan mamu wo ya ba eduma ya mami papa ha ho atu edi wo sika sem yes settled wo mema osika pudo pama wo so to me etimi e their financing with project at say wo sika wo je no enso ho wo affordability kwa na utaji wa ketia e the free controller and account office kwa dia o house nya fa loan master number na freno na ebiemu so ni true fame for so eso ya se won boda so e madan no eye neat minyan ma no omo ha say na tese mamo akwaba waba ma brother for Miss Mexica o mensa benkum so e na ebiemu so no egres kapa ono so e wo mensa nifa so mi mamo akwaba sonko another dayo Ambushpa. Okay. You go tell me no precope me shall say enfem me say ni fani hu. Why? Ti asema me. Me ba cho say o join here e live chat but mo dey na for join channel ka ho e my na share video no ma adofo bibia on all the social media platform. Ekia. Honorable akompreko ka asem sindi pe asema ye nka otimi be ka na pan no dey si wona te so obi entimi nya ne hwe e fa wona ne Honorable so wodoki honorable honorable Kennedy Japo so odoki me pacho asem no te no fa ne sen
yo na mama na makunye so achia eye oshefo ene wati for sedane da wo munya ebre ede ehwe honorable Kennedy Japan yeni no se wo ye panyi a wono asem no se ehu hia anase asem no bro so na asem no se like eye nebufu a na oba abonten bebe kabie nsemu emaga na fohun se sei na nyoma ekwa na se sei ba for the number of time our abonten ababeka se nyina no you the seriousness and even there or making this statement to crown boy you saw the seriousness in him no corner batches and no crumple ginger tracy ma or babo until bekasa ye and to send ya kenya there's a mijibi senka tracy no obehun ne sen ko baba bonti ababaye ye papa na we channel all of a sudden a bin see that na wa babo nti abeka se eye agro no eye na kaka ebetumi aba se komodide bia kwa eso ewa eye esumase ana se behind the scene na no nti wo hu ne se won babo nti no che da memeka se eye agro ana se ye bibisa se de be ya ene pano cha na che se bibia eto etimi echo because sana me hu no we want me memeka se me ne se nka ne nsem wedi kan aka da Edia fan kwofon ye shen ajugenzi ni obi nim die said you starting years for dia sofo akani na go robo nja be kase ago that means there is something fishy inside this situation wetin ye try you ten me sana me hunu
sana wo hunu meba wasem no eto dan sana no mame nko enua mathematical no honorable Kennedy Japan said ye nim no na day and some o sha te so mu to ko ye hu hwehwemu de wo mu bia beto abonte o say a joke Who is saying? I am part a joke, sir. Nothing. Then if you can, no question.
Na nama ya minchu a nya kwenye ya yamane. Na mejina kwenye so etia too much etie for any ashefo ni na say da moje brenya mre ehwe. Na nama bibia me hu ni say at times no there is nyoma bia incident bia esia. That moment obia many different opinions at the family. Now in this issue, makes me opinion is said at times ube to me any obi akasa ama message and now obeti bibi se waka bibi by interpretation no and now nya wugina fo a wode kan sa se mo pe na uni obota ye na at times nipa to me get it right ebi mo to me get it wrong maybe side no me suggest say betumi aba say you say election year a campaign time Ena adie biara ebe pushi say wo to bomb Ghana for ye pe bomb ya ji wo message no atum enti adie bia Ghana eba ya dodo na ebohia no eje so ma etene ye no eye politics ye ne de they will use it to pull attention on them say muka everyday papa no what papa no dey hate power Ghana
ye hate pa trendy for months
enti obe taking advantage of the papa no to so that Obe creating a good platform for the people to pay attention to him and send a real message, what they deliver. Now, maybe when it says, "Sana corner," everything about a joke and pack, but Obiani send your financing, and Obiani send your tea sema, what acting, everything about say, Tracy, watch it, actress with a matrix, my main function, or actress, Tracy, watch it, everything about say. As on one odu aba currently nsem a woka wo mu se ontimi control nsem ebi wa bibi ba na asem ye de kra na wa overact ebetimi aba se overact because uti politics ase na wo no oye typical NDC na o stand in what compare for NDC penya unim say ye game NDC for no munya ye MPP for a mini aba ankasa na ebe kono because eno na aba eno na enfia aba adudo na anima wo to pe they would like to know more about it it is eno na me dey starting ma to create attention na ama me bota ewie pe ya why not it me won is betumi aba say joke as he is saying and he cannot come and lie after all Tracy anyone on your name himself or opportunity and our ground be betumi standing on his word he say this what I said and that's all. Wa be yin one I mean no you still any shake But the fact that he came out to say something, I think say how it was, and I would dear Baba to just say, San or Koi, what Niaba, what's a bit number, so meeting a can be natural. Intentions near bad, a grown and new with you. But then I'll be fun on. When I decide say, a grown and yago, if you let me explain, say, a grown pan, I be fast a yago, because who then ya when you man say, in the same no, a how. Now what say, how. It's honorable, a bit never say a go, send us the car can. Previous issues are what dropping out of the expose. One bam become be I say, a go. It's other not Tracy Watchepe, waiting about say, a go. That means not only bad intention, but you know him say, oh, Tom, dear, if persuasion fails, forces apply. It's anyhow you market things, and a beman call will patronize and now say won't patronize. No, say marketing or political marketing.
Oh, yeah,
how will say politics marketing?
Marketing, yeah, too. I say marketing director.
I sell do you know why some of the leaders they are not helping? Or what they do is what they know how to do is market. It's almost marketing they buy the people with what they can say because they know how to dig everywhere to convince the grassroots. Okay. Me at home and the baby only capability, only potential. So politics is marketing. That's why it's a zero-sum game.
Yati. Na ekia. Tena walking enti honorable. So in the dinka honorable bi ate say ebuo won ho. Na okay, you gonna say agodi mpo na wo shate na wudi ago. Wo kan asemi e wa chiase on Saturday during campaign tour. Sunday, Tracy abe record video. Monday also buy ye obeyi ano say wo kra wo kodi krom. Ya agodi o. Wo say intention ya grow. Ba odi ebufuo be yi won ano no. Wo so de ebufuo be apetena wo channel so e kan ensemfin e de fa no uchi ninim esa e kan nsem bi kan wo kra to beta koye no wo hwehwemu na de betuda. E ma enumre na no so ye life. Dini anu wasutia o te de okeka yen bi o de so wan hwe krampa de bebo wa mane. Neti di nie mu wa chama na akoboni ama abayo ya ka de yenka e de tie wo peni ate se yenim se ye system no krapo na kola nka sentia peni no mana kodu sa mbepe so na asem sa ate akoda na wo bepede mu se e ya agro no e honum kakra no de no beti aka fon
yo nana ma on se ye obama kasa na ma ye dia na metie no kasa e ya agro ni intention political marketing. Over marketing want to the extent akwala krampo betimi afayane ato because of all political or marketing way. All those say idea wo ye unim say ye for ago una woni mo intention say because of papa no saga ena aba ena wo kan nkofo kabi. And the moment I woni say agro no won say Tracy aba bonte aba reply wo with so many insults and incense someone say watch him MPP for kwampo hu ni say we dey achow and won ko ne ba no na wo sa ba bonten baba reply into a good intention and I say na woni say jovial thing na wo ye enti joking to who di joke then na wo so bufu etina wo TV so enso so reply ni pa ne back so that means you have something in mind. But say no enkasa ye na akoso we chire e na wose won bra bonte na wo meka say agro because say me ni wudi agro na meaning say agro na me di me wo me intention na meaning say agro keke na me wudi na maka bibi na anya ode na wa ya me say wo ya aboa wo ye chimifo dey say be ha me
ebe kan
wo bi ti be bi obeka say penimu pa na wa hwa ma akwala e de wani ma twitwi form na wa ye yawo. That moment, when you so respect, I was any but you thought say you were doing it just for fun, for entertaining. Some were entertaining for because of a non-abba and into the AD and so yo. Where they are yo,
you go woofing.
Where they are goofy. That mark and then quabble on they are we can say chill, we can say chill. And no make ya make and I said, they'll catch me a shame me. Now a family bufu and I may be back a na enumu saba ye baba reply no that means any agrom ya ye ho awie ye wie ye no ya tena se empanifo ne ya tena se ya kan enti de nyi ha ne se membra na Ghana fo hu no se agrom na say next time omo say me ne Tracy akwa ko hia wo baby na e bia ye kasa ne ye omo so oh agro enti so omo kasa enya bone but like at times we have to know say ye no anase so aye da na bi obi susu wo baby a wo ye da wo anase worship enti say ye wo honorable na wo ye say because of agwa wa ma akwada de wani atwitwi from sam susu na say mampanyin ti akonya som na wo bebe ka bibi anase oye bibi obi susu be ka say e bia mampanyin susu ni intention agro say bia mampanyin susu ko go use pasa gana ono so be ka say Kennedy aka say ne de ne agro mampanyin susu betimi aka say political marketing into ono susu betimi aye mampanyin wo take it political marketing we use to tell mama na ultimate ka say political marketing e di gu fi na ma de dan we ni kire me mami test political marketing na wo di gu fi political marketing me dey can some e dey phone me e gu fi me e ye nyoma ensepata afi wo bi gine che so obi bu krampo na enam se de odo won akwa fole ateche no obeka se wa pa we krampo die se de na me bunu esi efa obi wo hono mu a wo show just for the short time just for a short period now we're making the conclusion bibi ntimi sisana adwe eti yetu na mo bia ye hu no ampa ba mesi we die fache mwa zika point no bete won fan land na ye nti ase de opa che no niti ye mra wo so usi dabi sika esunu sika de na esunu wo de mesre wo kan wo say political marketing ade so wo ye peni a wo kura de be atese nipa ebu Ninti say yes say answer na yewo akola nyansani na peni ye den me bese me use word no but Jimmy for wo peni Jimmy for ninti say bibi say e wo asemi say wo na te say peni wo betu anamo na te say o didi e crowd say honorable na ebu apa ho na de enkola ensem na be joki ankola no say ne say ade a wonimu when from previous instances say Tracy Buache asema na won kan hye dem wo kato abonte ne yonku ba kra wa ya no na wo be ma Nenu nti wenhu asuban wenya wo obayi hu no asa akoka na asem se joke nenam so ama tese wafa asem no e wo soro e de wani metwitwi fom no nenu nti wo so no mfa so ben pa e na wunya wo so
yo mini aba abofra wo mbuaje eye denya wo mbuaje and at times no anamodu wo wutu a wonnim the implication beba out of it ewetimi aba sese na miti kan no otu anamo ebo Tracy Buache edi na staga na ba Tracy beye na mebi a eko but no na enye deep to say this time the way ya osiko deep no na wono na onimu say Tracy obi a adapetwa no timi try the code deep mini aba
no dear
wo ho won say young ladies be a won say actresses omo ho bebre o na dia buari mo Jackie Apia mo Yvonne Nelson mo Upi say Ghana from your wom. Upi some more information about. But what you say obi abeka say ebia we ayemi we aka we nti obeyi no anu. Honorable and a well hu ne ye. And a honorable say we we abofra otafre wa no. Wodi weni mu ma abofra de otafre wa no. Enti ebetuma ba say agro pa na o man ni yes e dey campaign or this tag and be eye nanso na wonim say eye actress Tracy Buache otimi go eko beyond border. Oh papa, no matter how serious oh papa, how business minded, there is a day at your father to play with you. Meboa. And then be wa oh papa. Otimi ba as low as you
o de ni ngwa system na di you enu di abrana.
No onimu say Tracy and American onimu say Tracy emegu na eni matise. Oh woni. Aye ni say. Woni.
The platform na butre. Mr. Okasa onima. Okasa onima.
That word na the retract. David. One say waka na eni waka Tracy asempe. Ama anko deep. The only thing Tracy came out to say are there now working or there no on for prove near them. Embra Tracy and yen so ejini for or ye kwasia nenum bon nenum asem Andrew sister. Enti Andrew one offer ye campaign dey ya woni mu say at times who platform be na say who campaign and I won't yard any po. I did do why I see you see any pack.
Okay.
And in for free muna, never would Timu appreciate your cabema at that moment, you know, a fully crowd. I dream about send a sick and that moment, a man could pay attention. A year dinner, it's me free move back. And I always a casa be brave, and from so a woman, man casa what can ye. But a bit never said, the intentions no, and yet to say, what can a good trace anymore say, and I want an image. But the intention is say, may ya politics, may ma a year Ghana, Ajimiatu. Now I can't say what can Emma a year tracy bachayeno, but sana akobano, because one I would be can't go kind, and on anya day, and on to own bunny, and I won't even say, wait me any papa. It's almost a back can I drink. Emma ne bro so on one a pet, but in an interest, and I'm a person to chase the cassette, and no interest a near agro. Their occasions are waiting your more be now your intentions, meaning the panny diago, but we need more than the panel. A took a kind and then are so child, what will go in matter for say, Nana be to be frank, a bin to with that. Debbie, Nanamo, a bin to say, will you be there, run off on a person?
I grow be or you need penny.
Sure.
And I grow, and you said, Mammy, when you I go you need penny when it's because I grow beyond any be the DD grow. Say will be any system. Say when say in a state like this, I can say when a former president, I have the affair, my one man. You go say my former president when you go say no.
E would die ya wahana Ghana no one start here. Ogu ni when mama nkasa me ndu baby aye. Ogu ni when ni mwasi wahana.
Unu baby aye.
Me ndu baby aye.
Okay.
Ogu ni when ni mwasi bebre wo Ghana ono or trigger bibia or start fi eye mate bell so ebe ru ono ni ntama fin e di go abonte se nya ono abu na egu na ni mwasi ono abu nfi aba e no kotu bi. Na woni mu se wakoka ni ayenka wakoka obi a wono no nani wu ade na won bu pani na won feri na won sra ade na ofri se ne wo wonti no otimi ade obi enim toto fam ba me honorable baby obi am bo me se ma na nya se bi a oye perfect me nka so oye perfect one starting the year by intentions no e betimi aya go na se ne site be bo me se ma ne se oye pani na ne de bia se abibi wa ase e na kasa kra ne na koka honorable any authority about financial about yi to stand by his sayings and I say to stand by what he think. Now to say what me about out because of maybe a kasachile be akwa here not say a joker. Let's take it like that. Let bygone be bygone. Let
bygone be bygone. You ready here they call Irianisa. Tracy Pache abeyi ensem no anu bi no no to buy or say honorable hwehwe mu a na wo ye fa no ho. E na tetwe nya bibie nyina so. Ena nti o ma no wo hu do ye onti ono so ntimi fa mba but say me pa acho ena wa ko fa ni joke woni ne ya adwen wasa kwa ni say oni nti na ono abo aba abonten.
Okay yo na nama me answer na me ba question soon ko wo oba me come myself oba mesika sen say akwala wo mbu no wono na wo mbu no akwada bi wo hono ma wo bu no yiye papa
okay
wo no say akwada we agro bi say wo oni na fofo say do no wo di agro ACF wo penyi no wo ben na no wo say de wo susu ni be di agro ACF say wo ni na edi agro in a different way and then na fofo de no ebo ebra that moment no answer one we okay wo ben abeka say wo mu ade nti da won de nya kwala bi ani
Matia say fa ko bi ni
bisa yeah Tracy Bache na response our there basem yeah papa honorable when yan hwehwe mu bia amfafi no wanunti na ebia we twa no ho no say the make na kwaba bebesi say kasa akwa weche ebia wo ko ye na wo ko ye investigation no when na bibi a say the ye nya ba ne kan anya ho na bo na mfa akonya no so mpa na chewo se ye wo koye hwehwe na wa hunu hwe no ena me hu ne se kasa bia den akoso ena no nti yama ho na bo aba abonten se wo meka se ye joke se de be ya Tracy no ebetimi anya akonya no nso aba be pa to se okay se na ye joke intention se ye joke ya agona na woni midi ena me nso so ma amfa ne ye me fa ne se na wani abre ena me nso me ye ya wodia ena me sorry na ke se ma kwa kwa sa ena me hu no my opinion
me hu ne say
hey won check am me modi
okay na me hu ne say honorable tiwe obi eni wo betumi ahye honorable chinchina ne chise Branebeka say a joke unless from the own will and Obeka say a joke. I didn't know the one Becca say a joke. Not to see our no free say I say a joke. And can you pay me in a casa uncle what can say a joke did that? Even when he said from the free will and or the other to just say a joke. Then any baby casa or my canna on the
and our tina say no, you know, so okay. Remember about it. And as Obino one casa won't mean nothing. Obino answer. I was the riverside. I was a horse. I know by but honorable any choice to say I just so and we what's nothing what
putting some say honorable no obian to me share honorable say one Becca say a joke if we say or Becca say a joke no into so biara so be Becca say no cre enya no cre no enye force so be beja to say a joke but wa Becca that means one no and no person will can intentions or making the intentions clear getting it wrong simple as that. Maybe indeed to me say obi na akọ force ama ene mrem obi to me force obi say one year bibi obi no force obi fine and to me dem won say one no na wa ba out and an intentions and kasa won to bet na intentions but your actions no ko be jejo in a different way and the asat na me there me agin kire ne say me won say one no na wa pay mu e dia ba to just say that was the intention because of campaign warrior but definitely lady no getting it wrong and people of Ghana to believe no our choice see decide to say honorable it was a joke or it's
not a joke mamifa and Chiasronko and come call it shit one of your guests waba it was in the comment about your comment section if it's all jokes from Kennedy and he feels sorry for using those words against Tracy then Tracy too has to say sorry to Kennedy also Ajuadu Fie also say God bless Kennedy Ajuadu Fie there be must good Kennedy our born same Eddie Amano call it shit so Eddie Ababi must say how can you spoil someone's reputation with politics that is not fair from Kennedy this short lady hates Tracy one day when someone is destroying your reputation you will feel the heat Madam Short but one is short for your team Christian Efa so Eddie be about he's not begging that foolish girl. The truth is to say God bless Honorable Kennedy Japan. I don't try no me dibesi anyakopo enhwa mo say most of beka djumedie no ewo ema djumedie no ACP na answer the beka no ekia or final words na
I was here for say no I can say me there to me no me makadada say yedin akasa bi na akwa etire na ema eye papa wonu so tina say dwen won tie nsem a call for discussion ni mu ni say dey putu e baye ohunu say nipe mu won bra na wo memepa aye acho pa ne de yedin a na say ne nsem a wo be kan yesem eye joke ne de yedin a obi na be kasa akire no ana say ni instant na be kasa akire ne kasa akire no eno ene ma aye de wonu so ba bontinti bi aye be ye no ye hunu sem say dear baby na so wubie na obenu wo na baba be pa chow efi wani ngwase mu ene wo kasa no ahye wono kasa eye na dachi bi wan say twa ho ama mefa eye sabio wo fie ansa amfantri eye efo
ya da wano ase Miss Mexica ba cho fa comment
first of all only pan on the comment send me say me teacher is that teacher watch
and one hour short na say we see a short
send our calling sem me na me kan correct
okay
send our calling sem obi send your calling sem say obi entry di no obi ma no che say wo de ne wo no tan obi ade ne ho
final word
me hate dey ade then be ma me put ni pan right me hate no ni pachi no correct wo mo so so bone so no obi so bone so a na wo mpe wiye enti mu a mo sori mo twa mo ehia na mo ya de bone na nkofo bone nkofo mo twa mo ehia bode wo so wo bone a wudi mu a na wo se wa hwo hu ye san nkofo no na mo mpe wiye ni obeka no kra kire wo no ono no do because o ka kire wa na wo wani aba wo so na te se wa tia na watene enu na bi ona beka se u hetiwe da bi enye etwa ne de nam no kra enye de nam na kakra me de beka wo ne se aya ye mpenifo ne so se wo the way ya woni pani woni abofra be ya won tafre wa no ya mututu enya ahosihye wo young ladies no so a o chese ni skirt bi obehye mu slate no na ma get involved e chire no na pe de ho nsem pii da bi jubedi a Ghana fo jiwu se bra na betina akonya no so ne di mu betina so a mundi na mu wisdom a adom ya me na yi judges na me na yi government impenifuo mu betina so a mu fa sa ni bia ni adom na ye de amamo no mu fa nanti no kure mu na mu nkobo ni mu na nyame so abaso body bi e so de mamo no na wo di amamo
ampa yo Esther Ofin any eye Jane Boateng ni adwadi fie nyakopo enhira mabrani ni won kameka mo comment no adebam nanso nyakopo enhira mu nia ye di esi no bomodi subscribe se won subscribe ya na bia mo so no follow on all the social media platforms Instagram and Twitter too much gh_. Facebook also too much gh. Nana ama owusa enemy dey mabedwa for Miss Mexical any ebie mo so no efi escapa nyakopo enhira mu makramo.